Hi there, Nicholas Camping here from First Formations, the UK's leading company formation agent, and welcome to another episode of Whiteboard Thursday, where we provide advice on a wide range of business and company matters. If you find this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you want to see more, then please subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. Today, we're going to discuss the question, is my company number my tax number? Well, the simple answer is a company number is not the same as a tax number. However, it is important to understand the differences between the two numbers so you don't get them confused with one another. First, we have the company number, which is officially known as the Company Registration Number, or CRN, and it is issued by Companies House immediately upon incorporation. It is unique to your company and will be displayed on your certificate of incorporation. What's more, you must provide your company number whenever you contact or submit information to Companies House, and it will also be required by third parties such as banks and suppliers. Then we have the tax number, which is officially known as the Company's Unique Taxpayer Reference, or UTR, or Corporation Tax UTR, and it is issued by HMRC shortly after your company formation. Your company's UTR will be included in the first letter that your company receives from HMRC at its registered office address. And HMRC will use this UTR to identify your business whenever you contact them about tax. Your company registration number and unique taxpayer reference are both extremely important. You must keep a note of both because you will need to use them on many occasions throughout the life of your company. Now, let's take a closer look at the company registration number, or CRN. A company registration number is a unique combination of 8 characters issued by Companies House upon the successful incorporation of a new limited company in the UK. It consists of either 8 numbers or 2 letters followed by 6 numbers, and it's used to identify your company and verify its legal existence. It is printed on your certificate of incorporation and all official correspondence received from Companies House. It will be displayed on the public record alongside your company details. You will need to provide your company number when filing and updating your annual confirmation statement, submitting annual company accounts, registering with HMRC for business taxes such as corporation tax, VAT and PAYE, reporting changes to your company's details, filing a return of allotment or of shares when new company shares are issued, issuing new share certificates, appointing and removing directors and secretaries, filing company tax returns and PAYE reports, opening a business bank account, and applying for credit or entering into any other type of contractual agreement through the company. Please also remember you need to display your company number on all business stationery. This includes websites, emails, letterheads, and promotional material. Finally, it is worth noting that your company number will remain unchanged for the entire time that your company exists. This means that other businesses will never be issued with the same number as you, even after your company is dissolved. Okay, let's turn our attention now to the Unique Taxpayer Reference, or UTR. HMRC will issue your company's Unique Taxpayer Reference within a few days of a company's formation. It'll be printed at the top of a letter that is delivered to your company's registered office address, and this letter will also contain information about your company's tax obligations. Your UTR will be made of 10 digits and is used by HMRC to identify your company and verify its tax status, obligations, and liabilities. Okay, so when will you need to use your company's UTR? Well, quite a lot actually, and we've got a small list of some examples. You will need it when informing HMRC if your business is dormant or inactive, registering for corporation tax, VAT and PAYE, paying corporation tax and VAT, filing tax returns and VAT returns, paying employees, informing HMRC about a change to your business, changing your corporation tax accounting period, and contacting HMRC about anything else relating to your company. Now, let's discuss where you can find your company registration number and unique taxpayer reference in a little bit more detail. The good news is you can find both numbers in a variety of places. Starting with your company number, it can be found on the certificate of incorporation, in official letters from Companies House, on the public register of companies, which is accessed online via WebCheck or Companies House service, or through the First Formations' free online company manager facility. The company's unique taxpayer reference, meanwhile, can be found on all official mail from HMRC, which includes the notice to deliver a company tax return, or by logging into your corporation tax online account. Finally, what if you cannot find your UTR? Okay, this is easy. Go to the gov.uk website that's entitled Ask for a copy of your corporation tax UTR, the link of which is included below, and fill in the short online request form. You will need your company registration number and registered company name for this. You will then be sent a copy of your company's UTR by post to the registered office address as shown on Companies House. It is worth noting that you will not be able to request a unique taxpayer reference if your limited company has been dissolved and struck off. So there you have it. Today we have covered the company registration number and unique taxpayer reference, when you will need to use them, and of course where to find them. If you have any questions about what we have covered in this episode, then please ask in the comments section below and we will get straight back to you. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more tips and advice on limited companies, reporting requirements, tax obligations, and more. We're always happy to help and we cannot wait to hear from you. Until next time, cheerio.